What? Oh no.
Oh, hey Nick.
Was this all a dream?
Definitely not a dream. We're doing this again.
Alright, so I made it to Justin's house, and we're gonna be pulling this bad boy out today. We're pulling your motor.
Yep. Pulling the old motor again. Having some high crankcase pressure issues, and I'm thinking it might be the piston rings. So we're gonna be putting the stock motor back in, and then
So, stock motor is over her, right there.
yep, and rebuilding for. We're gonna first do a compression test on this motor, and then if it is the piston rings, we're going to replace those piston rings. And then this built block is actually going into another RS at a later date. Can't say any names right now. And we're gonna swap this head back onto the stock block and put everything back together. Fun days.
Time lapse!
Freight.
Bye, Harbor Freight.
Oh, you don't want copyright.
Oh,
Might want to turn that down.
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Can I make this turn?
You can wait. All right, dude.
All right, you guys are all stacking up.
Girl. How dare I assume her gender?
It's ma'am.
It's ma'am. What are we doing, Nick?
We're going to AutoZone, and next we're going to go to Zaxby's, I believe.
We just came from Harbor Freight. Oh, Zaxby's. Is that your favorite?
Yes.
One of your favorites?
One of my favorite chicken places, yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Even Pluckers, actually.
Oh, Pluckers is really good.
Pluckers is really good, too.
Pluckers is really
What the pluck?
good. Oh, Zaxby's! Oh, Jesus. That sounds real nice.
So good.
Real nice. Got that Target. But we did get some Zaxby's. As you see, oh, so good.
So delicious.
So delicious.
We're back from Harbor Freight and getting Zaxby's and eating it. And now we are having a beer. As well as going back to work on the RS.
This big old piece of poo.
Poo-poo. But we're going to be taking the motor mounts out next. There's one in the back middle, and of course the one where the coolant.
Well, the bottom one's out.
Oh, the bottom's out?
Yeah.
Okay. Then we just got to worry about passenger side, driver side, and then the motor will be out, and then it'll be on the engine stand over there.
Ooh.
All right, time to get back to work.
Without you, I remember myself, my name. Forgot about all you tried to change. Familiar was the sound of your voice as I continue to walk on by. It has been a year and now I'm living on the line. It has been a year and now I'm thinking what's mine, that I'm better off right here without you.
She's out.
Motor is out.
She's out.
FF.
She's out.
She's out. All right, so now we got to pull transmission out, and oh man, Ford really screwed it up in terms of trying to keep things tightened. Hang on a moment, I'll show you. You see this bolt here? This is what we found earlier. Would you say that it's yeah, this was not like that when we left it.
Oh, so like, yeah. So when we took this to Ford, everything was buttoned up, tightened back. We had to actually screw this bolt in to get the downpipe off. And you can see I got some, looks like I need to get a new gasket. I got some leaking going on right here.
Oh, yeah, I see.
But we actually had to screw this bolt in. It was just hanging in there loose. It wouldn't come out, wouldn't go back in. So we tightened it up a little bit just so we could get the downpipe to clear. But this bolt was loose. And then over here on the transmission side, they broke this clip right here. Yeah. So thank you, Ford.
I believe that's either the speed sensor or whatever, because this is your shifter.
It's a gear indicator.
Yeah, or it could be a gear indicator, so that's one of the two. Anyway, but yeah, they broke that down there, and they did not tighten that bolt to the transmission on correctly, so it
And
gets a
then
little
what
bit
we
of trouble.
found underneath the oil pan gasket maker that they used, it was leaking. So yeah, I'm gonna take I made note of everything, like photos and videos and everything. I'm gonna take it over to Ford probably tomorrow and ask for a partial refund. I literally got the car back less than a month ago from them, and I paid them $3,500 to fix the rear main seal, and they re-gasketed the front cover and the oil pan, and they replaced 2 missing bolts that were in the oil pan, and shit has just gone kind of sour since then. So yeah.
All right, so back to work with this beautiful thing here.
I admit that I've lost my place. My memory's gone erased. Like a scratch, only the scar remains. For we are better apart. The pain is still like the stars above. There's no love I cannot see. And in a moment, that's when I knew I'm better off right here without you. That I'm better off right here without you.
Transmission is off. Clutch and flywheel is off over there. But what's going on with the rear main seal there?
Rear main seal is leaking literally everywhere.
Yeah, so I don't know if you can
Tons
see.
of oil coming out right here,
Yep.
and it's made its way even out right here. This is all
Just,
oil, and it's even sprayed up in these little pocket areas too.
Yeah. Goodness gracious.
Literally everywhere.
Well, Ford was definitely very, what do you call?
They were not light on using gasket maker.
No. by
They
no
were
means
very
either.
generous.
Very, very generous. But, well, I guess we're gonna have to get this engine over here onto the engine stand right there. Yeah. That's
Yep.
about it. So I'm just gonna skip this part. It's not very interesting. So moving on. Motor, gosh, I'm kicking things. Motor's out. Motor's out. And transmission's off. Clutch and flywheel's off. You can't see it, it's over there behind me. So that was quick. But
Yeah, I think it was like a good 5 hours of solid work today.
yeah. So I time-lapsed everything. You've seen it on his channel, so I just time-lapsed everything that we were just doing. It was quick. It was faster than before. Other than that, yeah, that's gonna wrap up today's video. Thanks for watching, and make sure you guys hit the like button. Make sure you guys subscribe if you guys want to see more content with Justin, as well as other racing content that will be coming to the channel, as well as other things. But yeah, we'll see you guys later. Peace, mother.